Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. First thing, you have to open your MacBook with your old password and then click Apple icon here on top left corner. Select system settings, or you may also have system preference here, and then go ahead and search for user and groups on down here. You have to be administrator for this, and select this I, and here you go. Change password, your old password and your new password. Verify your new password and give a hint. What would be your password? It's a name, and change it. Oh, I have already changed my password, that's why it's no worries. And click here change password and you are done. You would have to reset or log out your computer for change to take effect. Thank you guys for watching this video.